I love a good Manhattan, and I can't wait to try this sassy variation that incorporates red wine and bourbon whiskey. It's called the Red Moon over Manhattan. So let's give it a try. Let's start with 2 ounces of red wine, a half an ounce of bourbon, and a half an ounce of simple syrup. Add some ice and give it a good shake. Then I'm going to spray an orange peel into the glass and rub the rim. Then strain the cocktail over an ice sphere, and there's our 2 cherries. Wow, the red wine makes this cocktail so beautiful. It's such a delightful twist on the classic cocktail. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, the Red Moon over Manhattan is Queen Bee approved.